Hey guys, we are making an experiment today. And we are doing an experiment with
baking soda and vinegar.
Yay! Vinegar with water bottle and balloons.
So I'm going to stretch out the balloon.
This inside
okay, so
there.
I'm gonna. I'm gonna put. You can flip it over now.
Ready, go!
Wow! Look. Let it go. You can take it out. Both of you, it's okay. Oh. Oh. Add it to the top. We're going to seal it. It's going to pop. Hopefully, right? Look, Bubba, Chrissy.
I think I'll do it my way.
Okay, ready?
Let's do it.
You got to act fast.
Stop! Oh, yay!
I told you.
Hop on. Come on! Wow. It's liquid.
It smells really nasty. Kind of like Sprite. It does, right? Sprite.
It looks like Sprite.
We're doing a rocket ship. Okay. So what do we do? What do we need to do on this one?
Vinegar.
Okay. So you want to add in the vinegar?
Vinegar first, remember.
Okay. Oh, we need the paper towel. Can you go get a paper towel, Priscilla?
What do we always have to do?
You can just put in some baking soda on the paper towel and we're gonna roll that up. I added in that much of vinegar in the water bottle. And so now we're gonna roll this one up.
We should do it like candy. Like
This.
yeah, like that. And that's a trick.
Last experiment didn't work. We don't have a cork, so I'm gonna try this little pecan that we have here. And I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm going to tie the paper around it. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. We have the water bottle in place. Here, hold. I'll put it in. So we have, what is this? A pecan?
Yes, a pecan.
And we have
a little question mark.
a little question mark. No, this is where the baking soda's in. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in this.
It's going all the way to 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's hard!
I told you.
I can't believe it.
Yes, I told
We
you.
finally did our first experiment. Yes, we did.
Yeah. You want to do it again?
Yes. That
Okay.
was the coolest. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.